Friends, welcome back RR Consultancy Assignment Guidance channel. Today we'll again come with a new another video, that is how to download a dataset from Kaggle and how to unzip this dataset in our device. So first of all, this is a Kaggle homepage where this is a site where you find different types of dataset. So there is a option in the third option, that is a dataset option. When you click that, there different types of suggestion datasets are showing in here, and there is a search box also available. If you need a particular dataset, then you need to write here that title, then you easily find the dataset. So now we here choose a random dataset, that is weather data. So when we click that, then this particular dataset page is open, and after that, if you check, then some scroll down, and then you see there have so many datasets individually, country wise, different dataset is present here. So first dataset is Argentina, second is Brazil, third is China, fourth is India, France. Different types of dataset, different countries datasets are present in this section. So basically, how to download now a particular dataset in your device. So there have a two option to download your dataset from Kaggle. That is, first option is some datasets option is showing here a download button. If you click that, then you see that dataset is easily downloaded .csv format. Okay, and then when you click it, then the dataset is open in Microsoft Excel, and your dataset you easily access it. But sometime when there is a another download arrow, the option is present. Sometimes few datasets this download button is not present. So that time we need to download what from here in the top right option. There have a download button, black color. When you click that download button, then there is a option coming download dataset as zip. So when we click this download dataset as zip, then it's download as a zip format. So how we open that? So when we open that dataset, then we need to particular uh, right click, and in your system Windsor is need to install properly. So when Windsor platform is already available in your system, then go to the Windsor option and extract here. So when you extract here, click, then it unzip successfully, and all dataset is coming from here. So, what is the main problem? When you need a particular one data set, means here different countries are available already. So, if you need particular one country data set, then you just click here, and that particular data set is open and download only that country. But if you go in this download top right download black color button, then so many datasets are present in this page. So in this zip format, all CSV files are downloaded in your system. So that's why you always use Windsor software to unzip your dataset from zip format. So thank you. If you need these types of more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.